Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word limitless. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. His ambition was limitless, always striving for more and never settling for mediocrity. Limitless means having no boundaries or restrictions, without constraints or limitations, allowing for endless possibilities or potential. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.